It's Natalia Elizalde, CBO at VIVEbiotech. In the business development department, we are doing business development, technical proposals preparation, technical project management, and marketing and communication. And then talking about VIVEbiotech as a company, we are a company fully specialized on lentiviral vector. Indeed, we are a CDMO working from early stages to GMP, potentially up to commercial stages, for the manufacture of lentiviral vector both for ex vivo and in vivo applications. 10 years in the field already. I think that what can be observed about the CDMO landscape in 25 is that more and more the companies, they prefer outsourcing the manufacturing process more than internalizing it, which is positive for the CDMO space. It's true that there are some CDMOs that they are facing with some difficulties, but it's also true that there are others that are growing more and more. For instance, for us, VIVEbiotech as a CMO, we think that one of the keys of success is being specialized. And that's why we are fully specialized in this case on lentiviral vectors, what from my point of view is something that is contributing to the growth of the company itself. What VIVEbiotech as a CMO is looking for a partner is that it's a partner that is, well, an innovative company with a very good idea, IP, and a team behind that is strong in terms of knowledge. This is very important, and indeed what we are observing when we do have these kind of partners is that they are the ones that are later also successful in terms of reaching financing or being acquired by big companies, pharmaceutical or biotech. So this is what we are seeking for a partner we are working with, as well as the fact that the teams, they should work together in a comfortable way. From my point of view, what a given pipeline developer should look for in a CDMO, there are two facts. First of all, that the CMO is able to do what is going to be manufactured as an expert, so very well specialized in this product, because manufacturing a biologic or even more a viral vector is something complex. So they should look for expertise, first of all, and secondly, for flexibility. Flexibility to adapt to the project scope as they need, both from the technical and timelines point of view. So these two facts is what I think they should look for. I think that next year, the main trends will continue being the in vivo use of lentiviral vectors, as well as the immunology applications. These two trends will be coming during this year and the next one as well.